heavyweight champion. So soon, baby. So soon.
Tonight here at ASW Full Throttle, killer Kyle Blizzard shocked everyone at Strokers Billiards by issuing an open challenge, and the heavyweight champion Biff Slater answered, and you took him out.
Just like that, baby. Just like I knew that I would. You see, from day one, when I first came to all small wrestling, it is now that I'm here, I've been politically hamstrung the entire time. So finally, I asked for a match, and I get it, and I get a match with the champion, but yet it's non-title. And of course I beat him. Of course I beat him. It was easy. 1, 2, 3, clean as clean can be. It was just that easy. But of course it wasn't for the title. So the story continues. It is going to continue to be all small wrestling. Instead of being all-star wrestling, instead of being a legitimate promotion and pushing someone like a legitimate contender such as myself, a legitimate heavyweight such as myself, these people don't have interest. So you know what? When you people get your shit together, you can call me again. I'll be more than happy to come back and take any belt in this company. How about that?